Hi everyone, it's Lewis from the Vevox Customer Success team here. This is just a very quick one to show you how to integrate Vevox and Zoom together for your Zoom session. So what we're going to do is take our test session and we're going to click on Settings, click on Features and scroll down to Zoom Integration. Now the Vevox team will need to have turned this on your account, so if you want to do that, do let us know. But once we've turned it on, you'll see this icon here. Click on the toggle and it's going to ask us to enter our Zoom meeting ID. So I'm just going to copy this in here, 8674847811331. I'm going to enter the password 592233 and click Save. That's our session linked in to our Zoom session. So what I need to do now is invite my participants. So if I click Invite, I then have this this session link here. If I just copy that, I can send the whole thing and people just click on this link and they can see both the Vevox session and their Zoom session, or I can just send out this particular link. So if I right click and copy that, close this, and if we just paste it in at the top here, we can show you how things will look together. So we've got our Vevox session on the left. So we are an actual session. We can go in here and we can send in questions as we normally would. We can fill out our surveys that's active here as we normally would. And then we can also see that we've now got Zoom on the right. So I'm just going to join by my computer audio. I'm going to mute myself on that session. But we can see now that we're in this session. I'm obviously joining my own session, so I've got my camera off, but you can see this is a live session here. So that's it for running this session. We've got the full functionality with Zoom. We can leave the session, we can make our session full screen, and then we can also use Vevox as well. That's it for this video. If you have any other questions, do get in touch with us via support@vevox.com, and I look forward to speaking to you guys soon. Cheers.